This is what we thought Bali was going to be all about.
We actually did.
And we found it. We finally found it.
We came to Bali to find white sandy beaches, coconut trees and pure bliss. But what we really found was heavy traffic, high prices and littered beaches.
So, we're now on the hunt to find Bali that we have always dreamed of, and we think we might have found it in her little sister Nusa Lembongan. But let's find out. Hello.
So much.
Thank you.
He's the manager?
Yes!
Yeah?
Manager driver.
All right.
You follow this, you must be change your ticket.
Change it to a proper one.
Yeah. Where are you going? To Panida or Lembongan?
Lembongan. Okay.
How about for 12 o'clock?
12, yes.
11:30 you must go to the harbour.
Okay, perfect, thank you. Boarding the boat in about 30 minutes.
Let's see if this was the Bali we were expecting. Our friend Adam told us it looked like Death in Paradise, which has me sold, as long as there's no deaths.
On the boat.
Getting blooming soaked here.
Bit of a sandy start, but it's proper island vibes here.
It's heavy.
It's okay,
First impressions are good, it looks lovely.
Yeah, it does. Oh gosh.
This
yeah.
looks like a proper Bali. This is what I were expecting. Look at colour at water.
Everyone's like going in.
Beautiful.
So we checked in only to find 2 holes in the wall which allowed multiple lizards and spiders to make it their home, not a vibe. Due to this we found a different homestay, which was possibly worse, but there was no hidden company in there with us, so we took it, even though it was an extra £5 per night just for hot water. After moving around we were ready for a drink at a beach club.
Being in Europe again when Lauren takes up scenic route, look at this. Just move room because of the bugs and stuff. Ugh. You come in? Are you being serious? You look alright, Wally. Right, chill out.
Come on.
This can't. You've brought us this way. I know where the main entrance is to the beach. And this isn't it, I can assure you. What's going on with bag, Lauren?
Look, you just worry about what you want to worry about and I'll worry about what I want to worry about. Okay?
So this is the beach club Lauren's found. Yeah, but this one's derelict. It's abandoned. It's quite weird. Eerie. Which way? Looks beautiful, this. This is Bali. This is what I expected. White sand. This is the moment we've been waiting for all day. Lovely. If this were in Bali, it'd be absolutely jam-packed and we're the only ones here. Wouldn't mind a bit more atmosphere, but it's not too bad.
Come to a beach club and it is absolutely... Are you being serious? And it is absolutely dead. Right, no one else is here. And I wish you'd stop doing that, that is so annoying. And I thought they were going to do like frozen cocktails and stuff, but they don't. They have a really limited number of like cocky teas, don't they, Tom?
They do.
So I've had a margarita in the end.
Sorry.
Literally like being on holiday with a child.
So we're all done at the beach bar. It was just a bit too lively and a bit much for us. Lauren were getting a bit overwhelmed.
Yeah, a bit too many social butterflies.
But the weather is
It's alright.
slightly taking a turn for the worse.
Oh.
But yeah, we're going to head back to the hotel now and get ready to come back out for tea.
Yeah.
We found a lovely spot for tea with live music. but he was back home early for a big day of cruising around the island in a beast of a vehicle.
So we've rented a buggy for the day. It's a good way to get around the island, and also it's quite cool. Like, just put the bag in the back, we can whiz around wherever we want. So we've rented it for 8 hours and it was around £50. So quite an expensive day, but we get to see absolutely everything we want to see on the island, which is good. So the first stop is the mangrove tours, where it's all these like streams and rivers and stuff, and you can kayak round them, which will be good. So that is where we're going first.
It doesn't look like there's any water, although that does look official. So we were going to do the mangrove tour, but look at it, I don't know if you can see, but there's no water here. You're meant to get into this little bit. Next stop, I think we'll go to a little cafe, don't you?
Yeah.
We've seen a lot of the side of Indonesia that a lot of people don't see, haven't we?
Well, yeah. We're out in the sticks a little bit, so...
There's a lot of rubbish.
Yeah, there's a big tip down here.
I just like having the freedom. There's not a lot of times that you get to see everything in an island, is there?
No.
But we are doing, and like there's a lot of local houses where like the kids kind of
try and
sell your jewellery and all this type of thing. So I'm not really too sure if people like come this way when they're on their holidays, because we seem to be a bit of an oddity. So some locals have just overtaken us.
He's got a machete.
Has he got a machete? No. Always try and be friends with the guy who has a machete. Never get on his bad side. I've taken Tom down the back streets a little bit.
Are we turning this way?
Yeah, turning that way. And also my sat-nav skills have just completely gone. I keep going wrong. Like literally, we've just drove through that and there's offerings on the floor everywhere which can't really run over. So yeah, it's a bit chaos right now.
All parked up safe and sound. Ready for lunch. So we are at the deck and the scenes are very beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Like, it's going to be quite the place to eat a pizza.
Yeah. It's gorgeous. You can see Bali.
You can see Bali. It's actually, it's a bit of a cloudy day, but you can see a fair way. And like everywhere we go, we're just like the only people here.
And also, it's not like Bali. It's not like mainland Bali. Like every spot like this would just be packed.
Yeah.
And it would be more expensive than here. It would be like that beach club, which is like £1 million an entry.
Yeah, can't beat it. For that, we're really tasty.
Now we're going to go to Mushroom Bay and see what that's all about.
Should be good. A little lie on the beach, hopefully. Lauren's not a beach person, but I am. And I'm wanting a cheap little drink from the shop and just a little sit on the beach. We'll see if we can compromise somehow.
And I want a beach bar with a pool and a cocktail. So
it's not happening, is it?
Let's see if we can compromise a little bit. Oh. So just a bit of a FYI, if you hire a buggy, don't go down the paths which are only really meant for motorbikes, because this is the situation we're in.
So we couldn't go to Mushroom Beach because there was nowhere to park, just for bikes. So we found a little, I think it's like a homestay sort of hotel, and it has a really nice pool and cheap drinks and a place to park our vehicle. So happy days, we've got changed and we're going to cool off because it is boiling. So we've just arrived at Dream Beach and it looks well nice.
Yeah, it does.
But Lauren's caught a bit too much of the sun. I look a bit red, to be honest, and I've put factor 50 on. We're going to get a little cafe in the shed. There's a pool and everything.
Oh, lovely.
But yeah, I'll show you this now. This is probably my favourite point of time in our whole trip.
That is a bold statement.
Deadly
Tom.
serious. The view, I think it's possibly one of the nicest. We've got it all to ourselves, sat up here.
Yeah. We're laid down on this like little bed thing.
It's just beautiful. This is what we thought Bali was going to be all about.
We actually did.
And we've found it. We've
Yeah,
finally found it.
That we dreamt of.
This is Dream Beach and it's certainly lived up to its name.
Yeah, it has. I literally don't like any bodies of water. Like, I didn't even go swimming in a handmade lake in France, but I was willing to like...
Lauren enjoyed it.
I loved it.
It's just so refreshing, it's so clear and beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Onwards with the journey, we're going to go to the Yellow Bridge. We're at a cafe bar where we can see the Yellow Bridge and the other island, so we're going to just have a drink here, I think. So we've just left our buggy at that cafe.
We asked them
because we're a little bit far away from the bridge still, so we're going to go have a little closer look and then head to the Devil's Tier for sunset.
Which we've already got tickets for, because basically these two ladies were walking past us and I was like hi, and then they both said hello, and they were Irish, which is lovely. And oh, there's a motorbike, hang on. And then they said, oh, are you going to the Devil's Tier? And I thought, oh, they're wanting a bloody lift. So I said no, because we weren't going there straight away, because we wanted to go at sunset. And they said, oh well, we've got these tickets, like we've already paid for them, but you can go in as much as you want. So you can have them. So yeah, we took them, didn't we?
A couple of freebies.
We gave them a lift back home.
We did. We thought they've done a good deed, we'll do a good deed. That's how you get a wardrobe delivered in Bali. But yeah, that's the Yellow Bridge. We were just saying, I don't think it's really a tourist thing. It's more of a practical thing. So we're back at Dream Beach, but this time we're going to Devil's Tier for sunset. It's meant to be beautiful.
Yeah, it is. It's meant to be the top place on the island to see sunset.
But I think we have got about an hour until it sets, so we'll just have to chill. We've got a little drink.
We've got some playing cards now.
Oh, we do. We do. Hang on, there's someone here. So first impression, there doesn't look too much to it, but it might be quite nice. What do you think, Lauren?
I think I should be able to see a crab right now in these rock pools, but I'm failing to. And I'm also thinking I need a wee, and I can't imagine they have the best facilities.
So we found our little spot, we're set up.
We've got a little picnic blanket, haven't we? Tom's towel.
We do, yeah, and the sun is slowly setting. Shouldn't be too long. Someone's just setting the vibes next to us with some music.
Yeah.
And
there's a bit of rap. They should not be behind that blooming road. That's
they're
so
going
naughty.
further.
If that were my kid, I'd be like, get back here right now.
Oh, this is it. Where's the parents? Where's the parents?
I'm not saying it's their fault. But yeah, I think it's going to be a beautiful sunset.
I think it is.
Thank you so much for watching if you've made it this far.
We 100% recommend this island of
Definitely.
Nusa Lembongan.
Yes.
Nailed it this time.
Absolutely, first time.
Get a scooter preferably, because it's like 10 times cheaper than a golf buggy, but if you don't fancy a scooter,
then it is an option.
And it were a good option. We've enjoyed it.
We have.
So yeah, on that note, thank you very much.
If you would love to like and subscribe this video, that would be fantastic. All the buttons you'll see now. But again, if not, that's okay.
No pressure from us.
Just go on with your day.
Goodbye.